In this video, we are going to do an unboxing of Ultimate Ear's Wonderboom 2 and comparing it with its older brother, the first gen Wonderboom speaker. So let's dive in. Welcome, sweet people! Today I'm going to unbox this fully wireless speaker Wonderboom 2 to show you what comes with and its features. Stay until the end of this video and we will try to see if the Wonderboom 2, which is this one, will pair with the Wonderboom 1. So let's get started. I like this compared to the previous one. It's easy for you to open, as you can see. It comes with a micro USB cable for charging. This time it's white. I don't like whites though. The paper works and manual, and that's it. If you want to find the descriptions for the button configurations, you can find it inside the box. Physically, the Wonderboom 2 looks almost identical to the Wonderboom 1. It has the same form factor. The charging port is on the same location. And protected the same way with this cover. Except that it's not though. It's not the same. On paper, that is. Wonderboom 2 has a much better speaker performance, which translates to way better bass and a louder wireless outdoor speaker. The battery has a little bump from 10 hours to 13 hours of continuous usage. It has a much better waterproof rating too. IP67 allows you to submerge it up to a meter deep of water for 30 minutes, and it is dust proof. And lastly, my favorite, it supports stereo if paired with another Wonderboom 2. For more information about the product, please go to their website. I have included the link in the description below. As promised, I will attempt to pair the Wonderboom 2 with Wonderboom 1. Now before I proceed, please like and subscribe. Let's turn on the Wonderboom 1. Then we're going to press and hold down the middle button until it makes the audible sound. There you go. And that tone indicates that it's working. And on that note, you have a great day. See you on the next one.